that corner. Oh, shit. Yeah. Oh, God damn it. I hate clip-ins because you can't stick your foot out. Woo! Finally jumped it. I know, I saw that. I wanted to get to that side over there. I don't know if we're gonna. Ooh, jumpy. Oh, I guess we're over there now. There we go. I know. You want to stop and go back and do it?
What?
Was it that jump? Huh? We could. Maybe not the cool ones like that.
We gotta come back this way anyway eventually, so we'll go straight and then we'll ride out. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. Whatever's clever.
Whatever's clever, I don't know.
Oh, I should have took that one. Woo!
I don't know if that's what clever means, but that felt clever.
Clever enough. Ooh, that looks fun.
This is amazing.
Yeah, Kevin and Gary Stewart up trail. Well, which I guess is becoming mine. Just a Stewart's in general. I'm pretty sure we can keep going. We can keep going.
Yeah. We don't need to venture to the other side today, even if we don't make it to that, way over there.
Should have gone left. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. Woo! That was nice.
It's fun not knowing where we're going, but just having this the skill set to be able to go just fast enough to where it's fun no matter what.
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Oh shit, I missed that line. That was sick.
Oh, this is awesome.
Oh, I'll jump. Yeah, I definitely like this side.
I like it. This is great to anyway,
It's fun.
That is our starting side to get over here.
Yeah.
And to fit it.
Really want to try to find. It's somewhere here and it cuts off to the right. Sorry, I'm not going very fast because I don't want to blow past it. Yeah.
A little sharp.
Yeah. All right, it's got to be somewhere fucking around near. I don't know if it's this. Maybe. I don't know which one of these two it is. Let's take a look over here real quick. I don't know, if this one doesn't drop down there, then it's not gonna be it. I think it's that one. Let's go back and go that one. And if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. Whatever. Yeah. Oh, it's easier just to stand and push yourself out of that.
Yeah.
And there is some rocky shit in this if it's the right one. As soon as I say that, I have to fall first.
Yeah, I don't know where you're going.
Me neither. You want me to go past her now?
Yeah, go for it.
This might be it. We'll just cruise it, you know? That's a line, ooh, that's a line there, but it drops a little bigger. Yeah, that one's a little much. Then you gotta go over this.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah. Got her. Oh, no front brakes. A lot of rocky shit there for small traction bikes at hardtail. Oh yeah. Yeah. That was cool for a little one. Could definitely, oh, that one would have been cool. I saw it too late. Then it's pretty much, I think it just goes down right here and that's it. For a black, that wasn't too bad.